getting flashing under here, so water, you can see this is the metal flashing. We got it going underneath here. So water can't get behind there and click. 5x7 flashing. They haven't finished nailing it off, but you can see the point. That's what he's doing right here. Give you an idea of what's going on. So you're gonna have these, anytime you have horizontal meet vertical, you should have a flashing. Okay, not just, you know, a membrane there. Okay, non-porous flashing, as you can see. Always, just to get some here, got to make sure all the wood has been, you know, all the damaged wood. And it was a lot of rotten wood here. I think we got about like 16 pieces of 5/8 CDX plywood that we had to change. And as you can see, I'm here. That's what I do. Because I know everybody's going to do their thing, but I want to make sure, because something may be questionable. And if there's anything questionable, I remove it. And we haven't got to the fish yet, which is just a 2x8 cedar. As you can see, we're replacing all the wood here. This is our second dump truck. First dump truck was with all the tile, as you can see. Got to make sure we have the right tile. And that's what we're doing here, putting all the plywood on there properly. And to knock this off here, make sure we get it done right. You got to hire the right people, that's all I'm saying. A lot of us do the same thing, but you got to hire the right people. When it rains, I don't want any phone calls. So you can see we changed some plywood over here as well. Some hose sheets on that. Over here, we're going to change some of this fascia. This rotted is kind of like it now. You know what I always tell you guys, if you watch my videos enough, you know I am about trees. So you see these palm trees. There's some rotted wood over here that we're going to change the fascia. I don't like where that palm is right there, because it's close to the roof. This here has to go, because you can see on this corner, that's where a lot of rotted wood was at. So we take, because, you know, trees, they shed, right? Same like here, they got to be cutting this back. So since this is a HOA, you know, you can tell the owner, hey, get your HOA and see when next time they come out, they probably need to trim the trees. That may be their responsibility, or it may be the HOA. But make sure you find out, so you won't get fined. All right, so we got all this here. Good thing about it, man, it hasn't rained today. Let me just be quiet. I said that out loud because it didn't rain. So hopefully we'll get done with this roof tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but by next week. But I want to get it all dried in, so if it does rain, everything is safe inside. So, hey, I appreciate you guys. Keep watching. Hopefully you learn a thing or two. It's your boy Darren with Darmac Builders and Brightway Insurance. Give me a call. That's all.